Hey guys, let's talk about giving. Giving is the best thing ever. When you just give, you help people. If you give good service, you give love, you give money, you help, give good product. Whatever you do, when you give, you receive way more than what you gave. You just get lots of love, you are proud. You're helping people, you give them happiness, you feel so good. You're rewarded with money when you give good product or good service or good information. These three things that you can help people through giving, selling good product, good service, good information. You will help people. You will make their life better, and you get rewarded by love, happiness, proudness, money, and it will make you feel good. You're going to feel good. You're going to live better. So think about it. It's all about giving. It's not just work. It's for your give to your wife, your husband, your brothers, sisters, colleagues, workers, clients, everybody. Give the best. You will get so much out of it. You will be so happy and so successful and so rich. Okay guys, I hope I help at least one person today with this video. Okay, talk to you later. Beautiful day. First day of 2023. Happy New Year, everybody. Enjoy your day. Yeah, where's my eyes? Yeah, there you go. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye bye.